Welcome to episode 9, and we're going to talk about two symbols that sometimes have students vexed, and it is the common time symbol and the cut time symbol. So let's take the myth off both these symbols just so you understand what we're going with. The common time basically common time is 4/4. It's simple and it's easy to remember. Common time equals 4/4. Sometimes there's exceptions, but most of the time that means 4/4. Cut time is a little bit more difficult to understand, and this actually means the time signature is 2/2. Now I know what you're thinking. In fractions, in math, isn't 2/2 and 4/4 the same thing? Absolutely. In math. In music, it's completely different. Because remember, the bottom note tells us which note gets the beat. That means in common time, the quarter note gets the beat. In cut time, the half note gets the beat. And we're going to look at a couple examples, but for right now, let's take a closer look at common time. And if we look right here, the common time, these are two measures. It's the same as 4/4, so it's going to be treated the same. So let's say this is our beat. Let's perform it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to turn it into cut time. Now that it's cut time, the performance of it is going to be very, very different, even though it looks exactly the same. Because what we're saying is, now instead of 4 beats being in each measure, now there's only 2 beats in each measure, and the half note gets the beat. That means instead of 1 beat being each of these, 1 beat is now every 2. And this is 1, and this is 1. So this is beat 1, beat 2, beat 1, beat 2. So if this was still our beat tempo, 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Just like that. We cut the time in half. The performance of it is twice as fast because our time signature is half as small. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3. Or actually, I shouldn't say 3. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Now, show you here, 4/4, and I'll put 2/2 up here. So I'm going to put the counts of the 4/4 up here, but counts of 2/2 down here. So 4/4, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So let's perform the 4/4 version. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, in the 2/2 version, this is 1, this is 2, so what do these have to be? If you said and, you're correct. That's how we're going to count it. 1 and 2 and. Because we have to go to the ands. Eighth notes aren't just ands all the time. Remember when we had the 5/8? Were any of them called ands? No, they were called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So let's do the same tempo, but perform it like it's 2/2 or cut time. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. 1, 2, ready, again. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. Now like 4/4. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now cut time. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. So let's look at a couple more problems, and then we'll
write these down, then we'll practice them together and see if you got them right.
First of all, I want to point out that common time quarter note is equal to the cut time half note. Okay, we've seen this before, and I just wanted to kind of show you how they're related. So whatever the beat of the quarter note is in common time is the same beat value for the half note in cut time. So when we start doing these examples, this is going to sound twice as fast as this one, even though they look exactly the same, because we're changing the beat value. We're applying the beat value to the half note instead of the quarter note up here. So let's do number one. Let's look at it. We're going to count it 1, 2, and 3, 4. Because we're going to have 4 beats because it's common time, 4, 4. So 4 beats, 4 quarter note values inside there. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So let's play it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Again, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay, good. Now, with the cut time, because there's only 2 beats in the measure, we can't count it like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4. So let's look at the overall beats. Here's beat 1. Here's beat 2. Okay, so this quarter and 2/8 is 1 beat, and this quarter and quarter is 1 beat. So this would be beat 1, and this would have to be and 1 and this is 2, and this would have to be and, because since this is 1 beat right here, this is the front half of the beat, this is the back half of the beat, so it's 2 and. Ands are just not saved for eighth notes. They can be applied to any of them depending on where is our basic beat. Our basic beat here is quarter note, our basic beat here is the half note. So if we do the same tempo as we did here, 1, 2, and 3, 4, it's going to sound twice as fast. Get ready. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and. So there should only be 2 beats. Go ahead and tap your foot. There should be only 2 beats that you feel in this measure. And up here was 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is only 2 beats. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and, ready, again. 1 and a 2 and, ready, again. 1 and a 2 and. Now go to common time, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Now cut time, 2, ready, go. 1 and a 2 and. Okay, so let's do cut time and common time and cut time right in a row. Let's start with common and we'll go immediately to cut. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and. Alright, I'm going to give you this opportunity. Pause it. Practice 3 and 4 in case you learned something new here. Practice 3 and 4 on your own and then we'll go through it together. Okay, let's see if you got it right. Common time, 4, 4. So we're going to count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Here's the beat, here's the beat, here's the beat, and a beat here. Beat here, here, and 2 here. Okay, so common time, let's perform it. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Again, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4.